Hello everybody, my name is Vikas and we're here today to discuss the marking criteria for IELTS writing. The reason why you'll need to understand this is because no matter how good a writer you are, the examiner follows a set of protocol or a criteria that you'll need to fulfill for you to get a high band. So let's get started. The first marking criteria is task response. In here, the examiner expects you to understand the question fully and address all parts of the task, which means you leave no stone unturned and make sure that you've answered all the parts of the question. The second point under this is that you answer questions with relevant, fully extended, and well supported ideas, which means if you split your letter or your essay into 3 or 4 paragraphs, there should be relevance and it should be fully extended, and you will have to give well supported ideas. The next important marking criteria is coherence and cohesion, which simply means you will have to write it in a way that it attracts no attention and you've skillfully managed paragraphing, which means paragraph 1 should be relevant to paragraph 2 and the content in paragraph 3 should be relevant to paragraph 1, 2 and 1, which means they should be skillfully managed and they should look like one entire essay instead of 3 different paragraphs from 3 different essays. The next important marking criteria is the lexical resources, where you basically use a wide range of vocabulary with natural and sophisticated control of lexical features or grammar, wherein you are expected to write fairly simple to complex sentences. The next important marking criteria is the grammar range and accuracy. In here, you are expected to use a wide range of vocabulary with full flexibility and accuracy. Make sure that you use complex sentences, subordinate and coordinating conjunctions. You're making use of question marks and exclamation marks. I've covered other tips and tricks that you could use to score a high band score in writing criteria. Please make sure that you go through all of them.